Ezekiel 3. This story is about Shan lives in a little house with a big garden. There was a tree in the garden. The tree grows sweet golden pears. There were too many pears for Shan, but he didn't want to share them. I'll sell them at the market, he thought. So Shan took a box of pears to the market. A beggar stopped to look. "Please, may I have a pear?" he said. "Can you pay?" asked Shan. "I don't have any money," said the beggar. "Then go away," shouted Shan. A kind woman had Shan shouting. "Can't you give away one pear?" she asked Shan. "That man is hungry and you have enough to share." "No," shouted Shan. "Then I'll buy a pear and give it to him by himself," said the woman. "Thank you," said the beggar.